my life, you hurt me. You broken my heart, and now you leave me, love of my life. Can't you see? Bring it back, don't take it away from me, 'cause you don't know how much it means to me.
Hello Denon, we are the users of your receivers that have problems continuously and you didn't solve the problems. Yeah guys, hello, once again we are with the video with the Denon receivers, the S960H, that Denon tries to, I don't know what it does, it tries to put the firmware, a placebo effect of a firmware that doesn't make any sense, doesn't make anything, it's nothing. Our firmware sent to these receivers for nothing, it doesn't have any effect. So is that Bluetooth receiver, not the transmitter mode, the receiver mode, because you know these new receivers can also transmit their receive. But the receiver mode has a lot of problems, and I think to myself, man, perhaps I'm an idiot that doesn't want to put another phone to this receiver to actually test the Bluetooth receiver. Maybe my S10 Plus was incompatible, but this was not the problem. I tried a lot of devices. I put my S23 Ultra, and what do you think? Doesn't work. It worked at first 30 seconds and then it skipped the music. It can't keep up the information of the Bluetooth. It's dropping the signal or something like this, and I don't know exactly what is the deal. A strange thing, in the first versions of the firmware, or maybe the first version of the firmware, the Bluetooth worked flawlessly. Now you cannot use it, and I like to connect it when I get to the office, connect it by my mobile and put some music. No, now I have to open up the notebook, the blah 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 blah, all this electronics to put myself on track. It's a lot of pain in the ass, and I don't know really, Denon, what's the deal? Please comment put a message into our comment section, put something to help us, because I don't understand, and I'm sure I'm not the only person with this problem, because in the comments you reported having these problems to the Bluetooth. And the Bluetooth, I think it's a very important piece. They put into 2021, if I'm remembering well, model 4.2 Bluetooth or 4.0. What's the deal? And this is not a problem, the number, the problem is the aptX codec. You cannot put a SBC codec or a AAC Bluetooth codec. You can put minimal, I say minimal aptX codec to have the sound, because it's a Denon. You cannot, you sense the parody here. They advertise this having DSD playback, and the DSD, you know, it's a high resolution, you can play high-end formats, high resolution or whatever, and they put SBC codec into this Denon that it's advertised being okay, it's medium, not the top 2,000 euros, but it's 1,000 euro, and to 1,000 euro we have a lot of demands. Denon, those engineers of yours, I think in my defective brain of mine, they're paid, right? Well, in 2 years reporting these problems, there is not one capable person employed of yours to fix this stupid thing, simple in my conception thing, when the first version of yours worked. Now the last version of yours do not work anymore. We are in 6 October 2023. We filmed this video, and I made at the beginning of this month the last firmware update of theirs, and it's terrible. It doesn't work anymore. I comprehend maybe maybe in their first version they put a lot of current. You know, every piece into the firmware can get power to their component, and the Bluetooth has a number, I don't know, 6 volts, maybe 6.5 volts, and maybe in the first version they messed up and they put a high voltage and they not burn it, but they messed up a little bit the Bluetooth, and this is the motive that they can fix now in their last firmware. So guys, let's connect a PC, maybe a PC will work. So I put my Denon receiver into the pairing mode. Okay, you can do this by holding the Bluetooth button a long time or go into the menu and pair mode, you know. Okay, let's go and pair it, add a Bluetooth device. I want to put from the PC. It has a 5.0 Bluetooth, it's a new Bluetooth, okay? And another problem is that a lot of devices do not find Denon. Oh, it found from the first time. I had troubles with phones not finding the Denon receivers from the first or second or third search. Yeah, and let's see, the Denon, it's connecting. Well, it connected. Okay, it connected. Done. It's setting up the device. Ooh. Your Denon, it's ready to go. And see the, let's see the Denon connected music. Okay, let's put music. Okay. It's skipping already, and as you can heard, it stopped. It stopped the music playback, and in here the playback works. You see? Yeah? The playback works. Let's put another track maybe, but I don't think it will work anymore. Because, okay, it's working. It's working, but it's skipping the track. It's not playing flawlessly. Yeah. Look, the remote control is here. I'm not touching anything. I can intervene. Okay, so maybe I thought to myself, just to be fair, in phones you will not find this because you don't have options. But I had the player on the 24 bits. So same as input, same as blah, 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 but in WhatsApp, okay? Let's put not WhatsApp. What's up, Denon? Okay.
What's up? What's up? Yo, who's that? Yo, pick up the phone. Hello? What's that? What's up? Yo, where's Dookie?
Let's put auto recommended and 16 bits, like is this track, okay? To be fair to Denon, let's play the track one more time. Yeah, it's trying to skip, so yeah, I don't know exactly what is the deal with this skipping of the tracks. Okay, so this is because they will say, yeah, but you set it up on 24 bits, now we set up in 16 bits in auto recommended exactly from the Bluetooth, and all devices are doing this thing. No, the phones are worse. The phones are worse than the notebooks, because the phones are beginning to skip, and in 30, 40 and 1 minute or so, it will cut the transmissions. It will not transmit any more bits. Also, another thing that is a problem to these receivers is the the Blu-ray. I had on the Blu-ray button and the Blu-ray input into the back. I had the notebook, and the port doesn't work anymore. Some ports are burning, and I don't know exactly why. Only one port suffered this problem. I don't know exactly the other ports, but yeah, it's a problem. It's a big problem. Denon, what are you doing? You are a premium company. Guys, I have a solution for you. And the solution is buy yourself a Bluetooth, an external Bluetooth with aptX. See, you will find that has, attention, a jack in, a wire jack, female, to the Bluetooth, and connected by RCA into the back of your receiver. You have CD, you have a lot of inputs you can put into the music. For example, you have an input to CD or music, and put, let's take the music port for example, put the Bluetooth receiver with aptX, or better with the LDAC codec, because I know you have a lot of Samsung phones that have LDAC codec, and a lot of phones support that LDAC codec, that it's a HD codec. So find yourself a Bluetooth receiver with LDAC for the Samsung phone especially. You know, aptX HD the Samsung phone do not have, but they have old LDAC. And with the LDAC HD codec, you can stream yourself to the Denon receiver. And see that are receivers that need powered. Well, you can use this port. Search yourself, I don't want to put any links, search yourself for the Bluetooth receivers that have a USB port and a jack port, so you can connect into a socket, into your I don't know, over here into your receiver, and put for example this receiver, and with a wire go into the back of your receiver and put the cables, and you're good to go. But we have a small inconvenience. You know, you can auto start your receiver over your phone, with your phone. When you connect to the Denon, for example, it has a name, right? Okay. When you connect to the receiver open up, it automatically open up with the internal Bluetooth. If you are putting an external Bluetooth with the cables, you will not obtain this function, and this is a small inconvenience for me, because I want all automatic, and this is the inconvenience. But you will gain a high resolution sound. So for you dudes that have receivers, expensive receivers with the Bluetooth, with the problem of this streaming of the Bluetooth, go and buy yourself an external Bluetooth, and you will solve the problem. So guys, I hope I partially solve your problem. Thumbs up and like that button, subscribe that button, guys, because we have a lot of videos with tips and tricks. Support our channel, and then on, for the love of God, fix the damn Bluetooth inside these receivers. Guys, subscribe that button, like that button. Thank you. Have a great day. See you. Bye.